Everybody, is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will first start introducing myself. My name is Raj Manwa from Mumbai. I am staying with my only wife Farhat and two kids. My son is with me with my business. My daughter is working, presently working, first working for the film, Tamil movie. My daughter-in-law is MPhar pharmacist. This is a little bit about my family background. By education, I have done civil engineering, and as normally happens, I have not practiced civil engineering even for a single day. I moved on to uh, printing business, and it is going on. Then I am also teaching programming, Python, Java online, and it was as Gauri madam nicely said, sun is every day setting up, रोज सूरज निकलता है, उगता है, same day going on. And around 2014, my body suffered from psoriasis, and I tell you, nothing worked, and I was not at all comfortable taking the medicine. Okay, medicine to nahi lena hai lifelong. Even they were giving me some very high dose cancer medicine. Then there was a lot of itching all over the body, and steroids I was taking, and he was just prescribing me heavy medicines which were supposed to be given to the cancer. So I went through this. Then I tried even homeopathy, even leech therapy. I myself learned, whereby leeches suck the impure blood. That has also not produced results. Then I tried Ayurveda, where he was giving me very laxative. So that Ayurveda में बोलते हैं कि stomach से ही होता है. So he was giving me lot of laxatives, and it was I was just losing my weight. I am normal weight. I was 65, went down to almost 58, 57, and nothing was happening. Then one of my friends suggested acupressure, acupuncture, color therapy. I was skeptical how it's going to work. I've tried so many things, but there is a saying, no, dubta kya nahi karta, because I was not comfortable taking those medicines. So let me try. I told, कि कुछ नहीं होगा, तो let me see what will happen. Then after 2-3 months, I could see the result. Slowly, my medicine started reducing, and within 3-4 months, I stopped all the medicines. Then I started, wow, that's working very nicely. Then I started learning those things, and it produced a fantastic way of life for my father. My father was on ventilator in 2014, and 2016 he came to Mumbai. He was having high BP, diabetes, and every 2-3 years he used to go to ICU for heart issue. And trouble was starting with constipation. As doctors must be knowing, from simple constipation, if constipation is there, there is urine blockage, then fluid build-up in the body, then fluid in the lungs, then load on the heart. So he was admitted for heart, and for few days he used to stay there, and this was going on. For 2 years I treated him, and you won't believe, we have not taken him to a single MBBS doctor. Last few days he was there in the ICU. Apart from that, nothing. On the 7th of August 2018, he asked me what is the time, before around 9:30. What is the time? He asked me. I said all of my family members were sitting. I said 9:30, and peacefully at home, only oxygen was going on. Peacefully at 10:15 he passed away. So that sort of life it has given me, and I was inspired. I was just promoting this, but nothing was happening. Then lot of things in knowledge, RYB 7 I joined, and more thing I was also skeptical कि इससे क्या होगा. But again it started taking action immediately, and I'll share my experience with the taking action immediately when you get some hint. When the cyclone was there, my office was badly, all the arrangements which we have made were blown away, and there was a lot of leakage of water. So my people were there. He was telling me, "Arey, kya hoga? Kaise hoga? Kaise hai?" Then we started to do some repairing. So I called the person for repairing, took action immediately. After that, I called my landlord, okay, this is what is going on, you take care of this. Then called one of my friend, he said, oh wow, how much rent you are paying? I said, this much. He said, I'll show you another place. So I, the same day, next day inspect, I immediately went to that place, saw that place, and I am now on to closing that place. Mostly I'll shift my office. So if, this is what I will recommend, taking action immediately when you get the access, not to think. So that will be another thing I would like to say. Yeah. Now coming on to my vision board, I will share my vision board. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, can you see all of me, bhai? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can see.
Yeah. So over here, 1 minute. Yeah. So I have prepared, this is my second vision board. I was so inspired by the first one, and first one was little difficult because of the lockdown. Material was not available. So I'll share you that also afterwards. So can you see any words we can see on the vision board outline? Can you see? You can put it in the chat box if you can see.
Yes, donate.
Yeah. So participants, can you see any word? Or what you can see after looking at the vision board, what you get?
Abundance.
Abundance. Yeah. Apart from that, yeah, abundance. Then
Peace.
yeah.
Donate.
Yeah. Outline. If you look at the whole
Check,
entire.
check.
Yeah. Okay. Great.
Imaginative.
Mother Teresa.
No.
Mother
Look
Teresa.
at the entire board, and which one single word you are getting everywhere.
Imaginative. That's great word.
You have put it in the outline, sir.
Treatment
sorry?
without medicine.
You have put out the outline for everyone.
Yeah. Outline. What I have done is, yeah. So I'll tell you.
Digital marketing.
Peace.
Yeah. So I'll tell you now. Wow.
Nice
I have taken WOW. Wow, which you can see. Is it visible now?
No.
Wow.
WW.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So inside this wow, I have taken it,
Right.
and you can you see now also now?
Yeah, now we are able to see.
Yeah. So maybe little, yeah. So maybe, so it's also part of now. So getting the wow life and take an action now. That's the motto of this vision board.
Great.
Yeah. So taking action now and have the
Great.
wonderful wow life. Yeah. So I have divided my vision board in different parts of wow. So first is, and central portion, as Gauri madam rightly said, central portion is I'll start with the central portion, that is peace of mind and plenty of money. I say pom. Plenty of money, peace of mind. So that's the central portion, central motto of my life. It has become now. And as someone has rightly said, I don't know who has said, that money will not solve all of your problems, but lack of money will create a lot of problems. Yeah. So that's the main thing over here in the center portion, as I've shown the trees. And my aim is to earn 5 lakhs rupees by 2022 every month. Whether I'm working or not, passive income, that's my primary goal over here. As Gauri madam has also rightly said, okay, have the primary motion. So this is my central goal of my, this is where I'm moving towards. Yeah. Now coming back to health is the primary first area of my life which I am taking on, health. And for that I am doing regularly yoga, pranayam, and Zumba also occasionally I do. So this is what I have kept it in the first. And Akshay Kumar is my role model for that. He is so disciplined. I have seen him even getting up daily at 4 and exercising daily, eating healthy. So this is my role model for health area. So as I have limited time, I'll go through quickly all of my 8 areas. As so rightly, other central area, which is second one over here, as I've said, treatment without medicine. So I am focusing on reaching maximum people so that many people get benefited. So this is I have benefited a lot. My father has benefited, my family is benefited. I've got a YouTube channel whereby my target is reaching 1 million subscribers by within 1 year. So that's my goal, and many people benefiting through this. So I'll be having one boot camp also, whereby focus will be on, it will be free 5-day camp. I'll be announcing it shortly. So whereby we'll be sharing with you all of the things which you can do so that you can have healthy life without medicine. As any doctors are said, they will tell you that curing psoriasis is next to, as per medical science, it's not possible. And I have come out of myself. So this, I want to share this knowledge with other people. So that's the second area of my life. Other one is charity. Role model for charity is Mother Teresa. There's a beautiful story around her, true story. She went for some charity and went to a low baker and asked for some breads. So he just spat on her hand where she was asking. So she kept it aside and showed the other hand. This is for me, what is for my children. So that sort of attitude she was having. So I'm over here, I am associated with the Lions Club. I am also treasurer of the Lions Club of Udan. So I want to just donate 1 lakh rupees every month. That's by 2022, that's my target. Donating 1 lakh of rupees. So this is it possible, or shall I enlarge the portion over here, whichever area I'm focusing on?
I think you may not have so much time.
Yeah, okay.
I think, yeah.
Okay, I'll just
Yeah.
So that's that. Other thing is mine. Yeah. So I'll move within 2-3 minutes. I'll finish off.
Yeah.
Other is my learning area. My role model over here is Anthony Robbins. He is a fantastic public speaker, motivator. And other things I am focused on right now is my digital marketing. That's where I am focusing on. Coming back to other areas, I also teach programming Java and Python, where my goal is having 50,000 income from this particular area. And this picture is my family. And this is cruise which I want to take along with vacation in Europe. That's my target. And having a 4 BHK sea-facing flat by 2025. That's my other area I'm working on. And other thing is attitude. This is superhero. This picture I've pasted over here is a eagle and warrior, combination of that. So in life, eagle flies high and warrior mentality will never give up. That's the two qualities I'm developing. So flying high, always having the high vision, and having the fantastic never give up. That's where. And right now in printing business, I have to go here. My role model is Ajit Premji. Is fantastic. He is a visionary, having doing so much thing for charity, through charity. And other role model having Chanakya. He has nicely said, one thing is coming to my mind. Okay, you should not keep your enemies, debt, and your health. Always you should have upper hand on that. That's where you should stand over here. So in the concluding, I would like to say, I was also thinking कि vision board से क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, but just have it and go with it. The more questions you will have, just put it in front of them, but move ahead of it to see the result. That's the aim of this. Yeah. That here I would like to end my presentation. Thank you very much, and thank you very much all of you for listening to this. Yeah. Thank you.